Hello and welcome back. In this video, we're going to work on our articles listing view. So first thing, make sure your server is running and then click on preview. Okay, we're going to work on this articles listing view. Now this page is being served from this views articles index.html.erb file. Okay, so let's go ahead and style this. First thing, I like this title, listing all articles, so I'll keep it the same, but I'll align it to the center. So H1, align equals within quotes, center. Then I'll get rid of this P tag. And then create new article. We don't need this anymore because we have that in our navigation now. So I'll get rid of this. I'll get rid of this table with title, description, and all of that. Okay. So first thing right here at articles.each, do article. This can remain. And I'll move this to the left. Okay. Now I'll give it a div class equals row. Then I'll give it another div class equals call xs-8. And then call -xs-offset-2, close quote, close the tag. I also want it in well format, so div class equals well, and then well-lg. And the last thing I want to do is I want to give it some custom styling. So div class equals article-title, close quote, close the tag. And then within this, I'm gonna get rid of this tr, and then this td, don't need this anymore. Save that. So article title, but I don't simply want to display the title. I want to say link _to article.title, and then article _path within parentheses article. So basically I want the article title to be a link, and I want it to go to the show article page. So when users view an article, they can simply go to the article by clicking on the title of the article instead of having a show link later on. All right, I'm going to close the div for here. Okay, then I want to display the body. Div class equals, and I'll give it a custom class, article-body, close quote, close the tag. Now this is my listings page, okay? So if I have a big article description, I don't want the entire description to show in my listings page because then each article will take up too much room. So I'll use this method. Instead of simply saying article description, I'm going to move this up. Here's my article description. I want to truncate this. So I'll use this method called truncate. Truncate, and then put article.description within parentheses. Close embedded Ruby, get rid of this TD tag. Along with article description, I have to say what length I want it to truncate to. So I'll say comma, length, colon, 100. And you can choose whatever you want here, okay? Then I'll close the div tag. And then the last thing I want to do, right here, you have the edit, show, delete. These are the article actions. Remember, in the show page, I had the article actions displayed as well. So I'll get rid of this, all of this, and then I'll pull up my show HTML ERB. Here are my article actions, okay? And I'll just copy all of this. All right, Command C, and go back to index. After this div, say Command V. So article actions, and then I'll tab this over. First link, edit this article is fine, and I want the same button. Next one, delete this article. This is fine also. So I'll tab it over. Now I don't need this last link, view all articles, because I'm already in the viewing all articles page. So I'll get rid of this. And then another thing I have to update, remember we're iterating through each article in the add articles object, and then we're referring to each one as article, not at article here. So I have to get rid of the at. Save that. Then I'll tab this div over. Then I'll have to close the div class of well. So I'll close that. Then I have to close the div tag for call XS8. So I'll close that. And lastly, I have to close the div tag for div class row. And then tab this over. Okay, so that should close all my div tags. And then the articles.each do block is closed by this end right here. So I'll move this over, and I don't need the table closing tag. Okay, save that. Now let's see what that looks like. I'll go over here. Here's my listing articles. I'll just click on it to reload. Okay, there it is. Listing articles. Now here's my title, which is a link, and this will go to my show articles page and then back to my articles listing page. Okay, so there's my description. So now let's work on the styling for these two. Back to the IDE. I referred to the title as article title and the body as article body. So I'll pull up my custom CSS SCSS page, and under description here, I'll enter in the styling. So dot article dash title, and then dot article dash body. Okay, so let's work on title first. I'm going to say font dash weight colon bold semicolon font dash size colon 1.5 EM semicolon. Save that. Reload. Okay, much better for the title of the article. Now back here, let's work on the body. First thing I'll do is give it a border on top. So border dash top colon 1px solid pound EA for the color semicolon, then padding dash top colon 15 pixel semicolon, then padding dash bottom colon 15 pixel semicolon. Save that. So that's my styling for the article body. Let's see what that did. Reload. Perfect. So I have a border top, I have some padding on top and padding at the bottom. So now it's looking much better. If I go to the article, the show page is working. If I go back to view all articles, okay, let me delete this article. Are you sure you want to delete this article? Okay. Article was successfully deleted. Let me go ahead and edit one of the articles. I'll change this one's title from AAA. I'll edit this article and say this is an edited title. Update article. Okay, article was successfully updated. Now let's test out deleting this article from the show page. So delete article. Are you sure you want to delete this article? Okay. Article was successfully deleted. Perfect. So my listing articles page is looking pretty good. So back to my IDE, I'm going to shut down the server and make a commit. So git add -a, git commit -m, style articles listing page, within quotes, hit enter. Now git push to push our code to our repository. Perfect. Now that's all I wanted to cover in this video. In the next one, we're going to deploy our app to production and wrap up section 5. See you there.